Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, for those that did not see Moment 4 features, because they were rolled out last month, they were officially rolled in with the patch Tuesday of October. But the problem is Microsoft turns on or off features, and some of you didn't see the new features, some of you did. Well, there is hints that yesterday's bug fixing update that were released have turned on pretty much all the features in the patch Tuesday, in the Moment 4, sorry. So that means that if you didn't see these features, you should have them now. How you can verify if you've got them? Well, one of them is you should see that you have a new Copilot that is installed on your system. And so that's one of the things, except in the European Union, where Microsoft is waiting for deployment there because of regulations. The other way you can also check it out is you can right click and the taskbar, go into your taskbar settings. You should see a few things there. In the taskbar behavior, you should see that there is now a seconds in the system tray clock that you can turn on, and you can also combine or not the icons in the taskbar. These are all Moment 4 features, so you should see that in your Windows 11 22H2 with the update yesterday, which is the one for the bug fixes. So if you haven't installed it and you still don't have the features, well, you'll officially have them next month, as yesterday seems to turn on everything in the Moment 4 for Windows 11. So it seems that the switch is on. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.